Hello, this is Bob from Up Trail 71, and it's been a long time since I've done any kind of a review video. Until this one company reached out to me to check out their knife. I was a little skeptical about it at first, because it's made in China. It's called Jellas Folding Knife, but I like the features on it. So I told them yes, I'd give it a try, I'd check it out. They told me if I liked it, I could make a video. And it's now become one of my favorite EDC knives, and I will tell you why here in a minute. And this is a box the knife came in. It does have some instructions in it. And let's take a closer look at this knife. It looks like it's well built for being made in China. It's under $15, so it's very inexpensive. It looks cool. It feels good when you grip onto it. Got this little locking mechanism, so it keeps the blade locked. Then you can unlock it, and then it opens up like this, and it locks. Now I did have to use it about 15 times opening and closing before it worked really good when it was new out of the box. But I'm very impressed with it so far. And here's the locking mechanism, so you just fold it back up. You can lock it here. So I'm very impressed with this knife so far. It's fairly sharp. I could use a little sharpening. And I've been using this now for about a month and a half. You see it cut through that fairly easy. And now let's see some more features on this. I'll show you what I really like about it. Okay, we'll close it back up. And what it has is a window punch on the end. So if you need a quick, easy access to break into a vehicle, if there's an emergency situation, you just hold on to it and give it a quick little blow like that, and it'll just shatter the window. Then right here, it's a seat belt cutter. So it's kind of nice where you don't have to open up a knife to cut a seat belt if you have someone trapped inside. Just give it a quick little cut. And I've tested it on some rope like this, and it cuts easy. And then I also tested on an old tie down strap, and that was fairly easy how it cut. And of course those are made a little stronger than a seat belt is, so the seat belt should cut very easy. Now just to open it like this, it doesn't really lock, but if you give it a quick action like this, it locks every time so far. And then you have this little clip on here for on your pocket. Most likely I'll just remove that, because to me that's the easiest way to lose a knife. I'd just rather keep it in my pocket. But that's up to you. A lot of people like to carry them on the side or maybe on a pack. It is a little large for backpacking, so I keep this in my vehicle. That's what I do. This is my backpacking knife. Of course I'm more into the ultralight. Let's take a look at my vehicle here. I'll show you how you can use it for a quick emergency access. And now this is what I like about this knife. In the event of an emergency where you need to gain quick access into a vehicle, you got that little center punch. Just give it a quick sharp blow to the window and it'll shatter, and make sure the person's looking away from you when you do that. Then you can open up the door, and if they're stuck in their seat belt somehow where it won't open, you can just cut this real quick and gain easy access to get them out. And then if I'm trapped in my vehicle, I'd also break out the window the same way. I was on our local rescue squad for 8 years, and in case of an extreme emergency, such as if the vehicle's on fire or it's drowning in a river or something like that, then yes, you go ahead and move the patient carefully if possible. You don't want to risk any spinal injuries. It's always best to leave it up to the professionals. No, I'm not affiliated with this company in any way. They just sent me this knife to try it out, and so far I've been impressed with it. And if you're interested in checking it out or maybe purchasing one, I'll leave a link down in the comments for the Amazon site. And thanks for watching Up Trail 71.